For 40 years, my life has been a journey of independence, a quest for self-sufficiency that turned a typical home into a thriving homestead. Hi, I'm Jorge. In this video, I want to share the fruits of 4 decades of discovery with you, simple, practical insights that can transform your house into a profitable homestead. Living off the grid isn't just about saving on electricity bills. It's about freedom. For over 40 years, we've been oblivious to electricity bills, growing our food in a small backyard and sharing abundance with friends. It's the joy of a simple life, connected to the soil, trees, and our roots. Let me take you on a journey through our experiences, from my city roots in Philadelphia to building my first homestead in the woods of northern Maine. The adventure continued in the remote wilderness of northern Saskatchewan, where we lived, surrounded by virgin forest, miles away from civilization. Now, in Nova Scotia, our third and final homestead is designed for a low-maintenance, self-sustaining life. This video is not just a documentary of our journey. It's an invitation for you to embark on your own path to self-reliance. In the Self-Sufficient Backyard for the Independent Homesteader program, we share our wisdom, covering water, food preservation, off-grid power, medicinal gardens, and more. It's a comprehensive guide to turn any homeowner into a self-sufficient homesteader. Imagine a life where you don't need to rely on anyone else, where your backyard becomes a source of income and joy. Our program isn't about hard work. It's about embracing a more fulfilling, stress-free lifestyle. You don't need vast acres. Even a small backyard can be a haven of self-sufficiency. In addition to the main program, we're offering 2 bonuses: the Aquaponic Gardener and 40 do-it-yourself projects from the 1900s. These bonuses, valued at $27 each, are yours for free. For just a one-time payment of $37, you can access a wealth of knowledge accumulated over 40 years. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. No risk, only the promise of a journey towards self-reliance. Don't just dream about a cabin in the woods. Make it a reality. Click the button below, and let's embark on this rewarding journey together. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the Self-Sufficient Backyard community.